Oh my goodness.
So what?
The pack?
Yeah, show me.
That's the soda. Alright, man. Good luck, Ray.
Yeah.
Hopefully get to meet you, bro. Alright, family. We got blessed with that machine with the 2 packs, and we gave a kid one, and we're gonna see if we get blessed even more with this one. Because why not? We gotta see, man. I'm chasing a lot of crazy cars from distant rivals. It's like the set I'm opening. My wife gets a little frustrated, but what can we do? Ooh, so we got the Hydra Apple. It's not a bad card. It's cool. So we didn't get any big hits, but we still got the White Flare ETB, and we got the Prismatic Evolutions Booster Bundle, which is crazy. Alright, fam. Thank you guys for watching.